Hello everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet YouTube channel. Today we are diving into a delightful project, crochet flower earrings that are perfect for beginners. I'm excited to guide you through each step of this charming pattern, so grab your yarn and hook and let's create something beautiful together. First of all, we will see what are the things required. First, we need some yarn. I'm going to be using 100% cotton yarn size 8 along with the 1mm steel crochet hook. And we need 2 hook ear wires, 2 of the 6mm jump rings and 8 head pins. I'm going to be using these beads to decorate the earrings, and the yarn needle to hide the tails, the pair of scissors, flat nose pliers, round nose pliers, and the wire cutters. These are the things required. Now let's see how to make it. We will start with the 3-petal flower. Get ready with a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your finger 2 times and then insert the hook into the ring. Yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have a loop. Yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the magic ring, and we are going to make the petals into this magic ring. Chain 2, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain. Again yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the second chain. And then we need to work 5 treble crochets into the magic ring. So yarn over twice, keep the finger, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through the magic ring. Now we have 4 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 of those, and then we have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Now we have completed the first treble crochet. Again yarn over twice, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 4 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Again yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 2 trebles. This is going to be the third one. Insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. This is the third one. And again yarn over twice, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Like that I'm going to complete the 5th treble crochet as well here. Now I have completed 5 treble crochets into the magic ring, and then chain 2, 1 and 2, and work a slip stitch into the magic ring to join the petals. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through and then pull through the loop. With that I have completed the first petal of the flower. We will start with the second petal, chain 2, and then work 5 treble crochets into the magic ring. One, two, three, 4 and 5. After that, chain 2, 1 and 2, then work a slip stitch into the magic ring. Now we have completed 2 petals over here. Now I will start with the third petal. Before that, we will pull this tail a little to make the magic ring smaller, like so. and then chain 2 to start with the third petal, 1 and 2, and work 5 treble crochets into the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then chain 2, 1 and 2, and work a slip stitch into the magic ring to complete the petal, and then we will work another slip stitch into the starting point of the first petal like so to finish the flower. After that, leave a little tail and you can cut the yarn off like this. And then we will pull this tail tight to close the magic ring properly. With that, we have completed the smaller flower here. And then we will see how to create the flower with 4 petals. We will start with a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your finger 2 times like so. And then insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have a loop, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we are ready with the magic ring, and chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and then work 6 double treble crochets into the magic ring. So yarn over 3 times, keep the finger like this, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 5 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops. Now we have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. With that, we have completed the double treble crochet. Again, yarn over 3 times, keep the finger, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 5 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 2 double trebles. Again, yarn over 3 times, keep the finger like this, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. With that, we have completed 3 double trebles. Again, this is going to be the 4th double treble crochet. Five, and 6. After completing 6 double treble crochets into the magic ring, chain 3 and work a slip stitch into the magic ring to complete the petal. This is what we have completed. Like that, we will continue to make the other petals as well. Before that, I would like to make the magic ring smaller by pulling the tail a little, and chain 3 to start with the second petal and work 6 double treble crochets into the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After completing 6 double trebles, chain 3 and work a slip stitch into the magic ring to complete the petal. Now we have completed 2 petals over here. We need to make 2 more petals just like the same. Now I have completed all 4 petals here, and then work a slip stitch into the starting point of the first petal to join the round. And then leave a little tail, grab the scissors and cut the yarn off. Now we have completed the 4 petal flower as well. And then we will pull this tail tight to close the magic ring properly, like so. Now I am going to use my yarn needle to hide the tails of the flowers. We need to complete 6 smaller flowers and 6 bigger flowers to complete the pair of earrings. Now let's see how to put all these pieces together to complete the earrings. Now I'm ready with all these pieces. First of all, take the head pin, insert a smaller bead into the head pin, and then I'm going to insert the bigger bead also, and then we will create a loop on top of the bead like this. And then we will take another head pin and insert a smaller bead into the head pin, and then put the smaller flower. After that we will put the bigger flower as well, and then we will create a loop at the back of the flower like this. And just like that, I'm going to complete the other 2 flowers as well. Now I have completed all 3 flowers over here, and then we will take a leftover piece of wire which is around 3.5 centimeters long, and then create a loop on one side like this, and I'm gonna insert the beads into that loop like this and secure it, and again create another loop on the other side of the wire. And we will put the jump ring also into the loop and secure that with the pliers. Now we will take the hook ear wire, open it up using the pliers and insert that into the jump ring. And finally, I'm gonna attach the flowers into the top loop of the wire over here. Congratulations, you have just created these lovely crochet flower earrings. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Hiru Handmade for more crochet inspiration. Thanks for crocheting along with me today, and I can't wait to see you in the next tutorial. Happy crocheting!